Hey out there YouTube, I have for you a Costco and a Walmart haul. This is kind of a stock up haul with Costco just to get our storage stocked back up. I have not been to Costco in quite a while. So let's get started. I picked up a large box of the Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats. I also picked up a large box of the 30 bags of baked chips. I did get a 10-pound package of the Perdue Boneless, Skinless chicken breast. And I apologize for the bad lighting. I just had a bulb go out right there. I did pick up a container of coffee because we opened our last one this morning. This is a great coffee. We love this one. For the kids, I debated on this one, but I did pick up the 36 variety pack. This was $8.99 at our Costco, and this is the Pringles. I also picked up some of the Shin, I think I'm saying that right, noodle soup. This is the spicy variety. This was $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, yeah, the 12 pack. So it is a 12 pack of the spicy noodle soup. I also got, I saw this uncured hickory smoked bacon. We were really liking that uncured hickory smoked bacon from Trader Joe's. There are, I believe, 3 12-ounce packages in here, and it was just a bit of the thicker cut, so I got that. This is just a back pantry storage item. I pick one of these up at the beginning of every year. Sometimes I will pick one up every 6 months, but this is the 12 cans of the Chicken of the Sea tuna. This is just a great thing to keep in your pantry. We also got the 2 packages of the, sorry for the glare, 5 cheese tortellini. We like this. We actually like to cook this just in chicken broth with Parmesan cheese. I did, speaking of that, get a large container of the Parmesan cheese. I also picked up the large package of the salted butter. I got a large pack or net of the avocados. This was $5 for 6 avocados, so it was a little less than $1 an avocado, which is not bad for us right now, and they're the big ones. I also got a large container of these whole mushrooms. These are huge, and I'm going to just saute these for us. We just eat them as a side dish. I did get the fresh fruit bowl. This time of year, fruit is kind of yuck where we are, but we've always liked these. It has the strawberry, the cantaloupe, and the honeydew melon, and then some grapes in the middle. This was a fabulous buy at Costco today. This has 3 11 ounces of the slow roasted turkey breast in the Naturals brand. It is exactly like what I get at the deli. There are 3 packages in here, so I will take one out and then freeze the rest. So we really like this, and this was $4. Awesome, awesome buy. So on each package, I wanted to tell you, if you freeze, and then these would have a use by date. If you freeze them, of course, that use by date will be different. So when you take them out of the freezer, write the date you take it out of your freezer on your package with a Sharpie. I did get the large pack of the organic spaghetti. This is a really good one. And again, we just keep this in the pantry. I also picked up a gallon of milk. Over here, I did get the 5 chubs of the lean ground beef. And I picked up a 3-pack of the French vanilla creamer. I also got the 2-pack of the organic orange juice, and then the large double bag of the shredded cheddar. Now that was everything at Costco. My lighting is horrible. I apologize. But that will get us stocked. Where's my Downy? So I got the 197 loads of Downy again. And this was $8.99, which is a fabulous buy. And then what you don't see are 2 cases of water. So that is out in the car. So I will show you what I got at Walmart. Again, everyone's back to work and school. Ashton is back in nursing school. So I did get some easier to grab items just because it forgoes everyone eating out for lunch. We try to take leftovers for lunch or sandwiches, but that gets really old. So we have 3 of us since I am back to work. So I did pick up some frozen meals. And then Ashton has a microwave at nursing school. So she gets to, you know, she can grab a meal too. So I picked up, this is Ash, just some Pantene conditioner. I did get a bundle of bananas. I picked up some chicken bouillon. These are for Ashton, the Pagoda cream cheese wontons. I have a viewer, and she is now doing grocery hauls. I believe it's S.J. Burgess. I hope I said that right. I'll try to leave a link to her channel below, but she loves these. So, girl, I'm going by you. I hope these are good. I did pick up some New York breadsticks. And then Andrea loves these salted caramel nut protein bars. He also picked up 2 of the high brew double espresso coffee shots. And then we're supposed to get lots of ice. I'm not for sure, but I thought if we were snowed in, I might make a pan of brownies. So I got the Supreme Triple Chunk. Ashton requested the ranch veggie straws, and I just got a small bag because she's the only one that likes those. I did get a loaf of the sliced French bread. And then I got these steaks. Andrea said one night, if he gets home before me, he would grill these for supper. And I think that'll be a good night to have the cooked mushrooms. So we just got a 3-pack of the New York strip steaks. The kids are loving fries, and Mattia really wanted potato wedges. And I don't know what was going on. The last 2 times I've tried to buy them, they're completely out. So, excuse me, I ate a piece. I ate a little bite of the Costco pizza. So the Arby's seasoned curly fries I picked up for him. Some Prego sauce. And then 2 containers of cream cheese. I did pick up a Rotel. I'm going to do a chicken pepper casserole this week. I got then some drinks. These are for Andrea and Ashton or myself to grab when we go to work or school. Just some Welch's. This is the grape. And then I got a blackberry strawberry. I also picked up some chicken fries of the Tyson. I love these for Aldi. I did not go to Aldi today, so we were totally out of those chicken fries that we like. For the frozen meals, I picked Andrea up this lemon pepper fish, or lemon pepper fish. Yeah, I didn't say it right. Has 14 grams of protein, and him taking something like this for lunch is a lot better than him skipping lunch. So I got that. I got for me a glazed turkey tenderloin with sweet potatoes. That was always my favorite. And then I just can't help it. I love these Supreme pizzas. And then for Andrea or Ashton, I got a glazed turkey tenderloin. Andrea wanted a spaghetti, or myself, whichever one. I think Ashton will like this lean sesame chicken. And I got a different sesame chicken. This is the one I used to take to work all the time and liked that. And then I got Andrea a sandwich. So for the next couple of weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 8 to split between 3 people. That'll give us like every other day if we don't want to take leftovers or a cold lunch meat sandwich, that we can just have something warm and heat it up in the microwave at work or school. Picked up these crackers, the sriracha. The kids like those. Mattia can take it for practice or after practice. And then I did get a block of Velveeta. This was $7. Holy smokes. But I bought a large bag of shell pasta on sale a couple shopping trips ago. So I thought I could make us our own Velveeta shells and cheese. Or I have a bunch of tortilla chips left. I could make us just some cheese dip. And then Andrea asked for the blueberry fruit and grain cereal bars, and Mattia likes those. So that is what we got going on. Again, the Costco haul, it will flow over for a month or so. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Oh, by the way, I spent $233 at Costco, and I think Walmart was $97. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon.